Despite the recent housing market data, which shows low inventory and higher interest rates, people are still moving. Hi, I'm Suma Sridhar, the real estate broker in the Bay Area. According to a recent report from Gravy Analytics, plenty of people are still moving and this is what they are looking for in their move. Cities with lower housing cost. People are moving to more affordable areas and this may mean relocating to another state or region. They want to live where they go for vacation. We have all heard the expression, live where you play, and that is what people are looking for. Whether you want to hike in the mountains or live near a beach or countryside, people are moving to the areas that were once thought of as vacation spots. It seems that remote workers are the key demographic of people who are taking advantage of this. Yep, current data shows that more remote workers are moving to more affordable areas and not worrying about commutes and how far they are from the office. Bottom line, lots of people are still moving today despite current challenges. If you want to help navigating your next move, reach out to my team and me to help you to find your ideal home and location. Once again, I am Suma Sridhar, the real estate broker in the Bay Area with the tradition of excellence and integrity. I love what I do and people love what I do. Thank you so much. Have a great day.